Hi guys, I'm Bubbles, and today we have a lot of fiddler crabs, or known as the marsh crabs. Yes, and here's a fun fact about them. They can have up to 5,000 to 13,000 children. Yes. You see, if you stand very still, that's when all the little crabs start to come out. But if you move, they start to hide. Let's catch one, shall we? Hi guys, my friend here has caught a little hermit crab. Yes. Hey, little hermit. You see, when it's scared, it goes inside of its shell. Hi there, I'm Bubbles. What's your name? Well, best release it. Mwah.